Hi, I'm Jerry. Just a wee quick video to discuss about choosing the right dentist or a dental practice for your dental implants. We know this can be a critical decision that can have impact on your oral health and overall well-being. Here are 7 mistakes that people often make when choosing a dentist or a practice for dental implants. 1. Not checking credentials. One of the most common mistakes is not checking the dentist's credentials, experience and qualifications. You should ensure that the dentist is properly trained and experienced to perform dental implant procedures. 2. Not asking for referrals. Another mistake is not asking for referrals from friends, family or colleagues who have undergone dental implant procedures. Referrals can help you find a reputable dentist or a practice with a proven track record of success. 3. Choosing based on price alone. Choosing a dentist solely based on price can be a mistake, as the cheapest option may not always be the best quality. Look for a dental practice that offers a fair price and provide excellent service and quality dental work. Also, look at their guarantees on treatment and promises around clarity of their pricing once you have been fully assessed for treatment needs. 4. Not researching the dental practice. Before choosing a dental practice, it is important to research the practice, read reviews and check their reputation in the community. This will help you avoid choosing a practice that does not meet your standards. 5. Not asking questions. Another mistake is not asking enough questions before undergoing the dental implant procedure. You should ask about the procedure, the recovery process and any potential risks or complications. 6. Ignoring the dentist's communication skills. It is crucial to choose a dentist who communicates well with their patients and takes the time to explain the procedures, answers any questions and addresses any of your concerns. Also look to their support team, and if they have a care coordinator who often deals with the non-clinical details on the dentist's behalf. And finally, not considering the overall patient experience. Finally, many patients overlook the overall patient experience when choosing a dentist or a practice for their implants. Factors such as the office environment, staff friendliness and wait times can all affect your experience and overall satisfaction within the practice. Thank you.